Hey there, this is Sonny, the solar guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do two things. One, download your most recent APS bill. And number two, download your last 12 months of usage, electricity usage as reported by APS. So the first thing you'll do is you'll get to aps.com. You'll get to APS's website. Then you will go ahead and log in, and you put in your username, your password. Go ahead and click login. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this new welcome page. APS just recently changed everything about their website, so this is new to a lot of people. But if you want to see a bill or know your usage, this is how you do it. So to see a bill, you're going to go to billing and payment. So get over to this heading right here, billing and payment. And then you're going to come down to billing and usage. Click on that button, billing and usage. This website moves just a little bit slow, so give it some time to load. And once it loads, on the right-hand side of the screen, you're going to see this button, View Detailed Bill. If you click on View Detailed Bill, it's going to download the most recent APS billing statement, all pages, which is perfect. So go ahead and click that button, and then it's going to, in the bottom left-hand corner of your browser, you will see that file. And it's going to come up on your screen, all pages. You'll just go ahead and save it. So I usually save these on the desktop. You just, name it whatever you want. September APS bill .pdf. Hit save. Now it's saved. Now you can email that to me, and that's perfect because I use the last 12 months of usage history as a guide to see how much electricity you'll need to create with your solar system. Now, if you want to download actual usage, you again will go to the billing and payment button here, and then you're going to come down to this button underneath to download usage data. So go ahead and click download usage data. And again, in the bottom left-hand corner, the file will be available inside your web browser once it is downloaded. So it can take a minute, but it will be there. So be patient. Bottom left-hand corner. So let's see here, didn't take, so we'll do it again. There it is. Okay, so here we go. And here it will download. So here's your account number. This will be your address. Now you're going to select a date. And so we get the last 12 months. That's perfect. So last 12 months as of today would be October 1st, 2018 to September 30th, 2019. Once you have a year up here, you'll click download. And again, the APS website's going to do its magic. And then in the bottom left-hand corner, there's your file. So you'll click on that guy, and it will come up with this message. Hey, the file format and extension 841 doesn't match. This file could be corrupt or unsafe. Unless you trust its source, don't open it. Do you want to open it anyway? Yes, we do. So here is the last 12 months of electricity usage for this family. And we want to see a total. That way we know what percentage we'll be able to offset with the solar system. So you'll just come over here at the bottom of the total KWH column, click right there at the bottom, and just above fill, there's an auto sum button, which you can't see because it's not recording that part of my screen. Once you see that, you'll hit enter, and boom, there it is. That is the number of kilowatt hours this family has used during the last 12 months. So we're going to get as close to that as we can or over it. as we design this particular customer's solar system. So if you have any questions or if there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. 480-200-4486. Thank you.